What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Baby Doge and why I had just bought more Baby Doge despite this crash that we're in. So, we're going to talk about this and I'm going to continue to buy more Baby Doge and I'll tell you why. So, if you like these Baby Doge videos, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And remember, if you become a member of the channel, I'll go over any crypto you want to go over first. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link inside of the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to the video. So why exactly did I buy more Baby Doge? And to be particular, it was about $1,100 worth of Baby Doge just now, literally right before I made this video. I would have made it a little bit earlier, but I had to buy that Baby Doge. Like, I seen it at 1.6. I was like, I gotta get this. I've been talking about this support forever, and now I'm backing up that talk and I'm walking the walk. So yes, I just bought about $1,100 worth of more Baby Doge. Now I have about 2.5 trillion. A lot of people have been asking me how much I have. I really don't like telling people the exact amount, so I'll just tell you around 2.5 trillion, because if I give you the exact amount, then obviously you can find my wallet and then send phishing schemes. But anyways, yeah, around 2.5 trillion, because I have multiple wallets, so you can't find that wallet because it's multiple wallets and it's spread out. So that's definitely a good way to do it. But the reason why I'm buying more Baby Doge is because we have so much coming up for us in the future. We literally have the Baby Doge wallet, the Baby Doge NFTs that we just now dropped, the NFT marketplace. We have a whole metaverse inside the whole creation right now. So we also have Baby Doge Swap that should be coming out very soon. And the actual Baby Doge developers on here on Twitter just now said Baby Doge Swap. So excited for it because they know they're about to drop it soon. So yeah, the swap isn't that big of a deal. Let's be completely honest. It's just a swap. It's not that big of a deal. But this is a groundbreaker. This is what leads us to the next step inside of our roadmap. This is what leads us to the wallet and then to the debit card. And yeah, the wallet may not be all that big of a deal, but the debit card, that's a big deal. The exchange, that's a big deal. The arcade, the whole metaverse that we're about to be creating and the land that we already have in the metaverse, that is a big deal. I'm not too big on the metaverse, but still, I really do believe it's a big deal because this is the future. This is where everything's going. Everything's virtual now. People love the metaverse. And yeah, we just have all this big stuff coming out for Baby Doge in the near future. And I'm still a really big supporter of Baby Doge. And I see a lot of people are starting to like leave Baby Doge in the dust. A lot of people are talking about, oh, it's a scam, blah, 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 blah. I've seen people that were, really talking really good stuff about Baby Doge. But now that Baby Doge is down, now they're pretty much talking down on it, saying it's a scam, saying it's a rug pull and all that. So a lot of people are really starting to lose faith, and it's expected. The same thing happens inside of the stock market. So there's really no telling where the whole crypto and stock market and everything is going to go. But I will say one thing: inflation is not, as prominent as it was before. It was going up, 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 and up. Yes, we still got inflation, but it's really not increasing. It's almost like it's peaked for right now. So we'll hear about that next week from Jerome Powell, the Fed. We'll all hear all of that, and then when all of this stuff starts rolling in, I think that we could be coming for a reversal inside the whole overall financial markets, not even just the crypto market. Everything's down, but now everything's probably going to go up pretty soon. And we got to think about it. When you look at the whole stock market, like, let's just go over here and look at some stocks for a second, because when you look at the stock market, the SPY, for instance, that's the S&P 500 ETF. I don't know why I was stuttering there, but yeah, the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY. So let's just go ahead and pull that up, because remember, everything is kind of following the stock market. When you think about it, Bitcoin is following. Look, stock market starts going down, Bitcoin starts going down. Like, I'll pull up Bitcoin as well. We really have to compare everything, because it really is following the stock market. It's following the top companies. That's literally the whole economic growth of America. So we have to follow this stuff. So this is Bitcoin literally going down as the SPY goes down. And look, this is both 15-minute charts, 15M charts. So I want to show something with the SPY though. The SPY is actually hitting a support line. Now, this is the S&P 500 ETF. It's hitting a support line. I was actually going to do calls, but I don't like doing calls over the weekends. I'll probably do a call on Monday. But anyways, that's just some options trading. I might do some videos on option trading as well. But as you can see here, we're literally about to hit the support line at $4.10 or at $410 right there for the SPY. Now we are coming off of a huge rally that we had previously and literally coming from all-time highs. This is a healthy pullback. This is not a crash. This is a healthy pullback. Look at this. We had huge support at the same level that we're about to hit now. And now we're about to hit that same support line. So whether it can go down below it or not, it's really up to whatever comes out from the Fed next week. The Fed, they keep bringing all this. They just keep talking. Sometimes they make the stock market go up by what they're saying. Sometimes they make it go down. But who knows? But right now, we know there's a significant support that's coming. So if we get good news by the time the support comes, we're going to go on another rally. And I'm just saying, we literally came off of a huge rally. We're literally at all-time highs. When you look at this, we're at all-time highs here, and we're literally not too far back. So if we see it continue to drop, I really do believe that 350, 360, that's really going to be the bottom for the stock market, for the SPY ETF. 350, 360. And why does this matter for Baby Doge? This matters for Baby Doge because everything is following the top companies in the stock market. And that's the S&P 500, the SPY. Everything is following this. So you can even look over here. This is where we had significant resistance. And this is where we started to break out inside of 2020. This is when we had our huge uptrend from the previous uptrend that we already had that was already big. So we're really coming off of inflated stocks right here. So literally, everything is so expensive right now, but we did just now print a lot of money into the economy. And now things are getting cheaper. This is literally just a healthy pullback. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but a lot of people are selling all their stocks. They're like, oh my God, the sky's falling, everything's going down, the sky's falling, we're gonna lose all our money, blah, 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 all this other stuff. We're literally coming back on a healthy pullback. And look at how we've bottomed out at the support here. This is a higher low. Support here, we hit a higher low. And now look, this is a higher low than previously. And if this continues to happen and our next higher low is like 40K, the next one is 44, then you're going to see that uptrend and it's going to be huge and it's going to be nice. So I'm literally seeing this in real time. The highs are also becoming higher. So you can see here from February all the way over here to March, all the way over to here. Every single month, we're setting a new high. So I'll tell you this, if within the next week, we start going on an uptrend and you see Bitcoin then rally to like 48K, but then it goes down again, but it drops down to 40K instead of 38K or 37K like we're at now. And then you see it the next month, July, it then rallies to 54, 55K, 56K, somewhere around there. And then it may pull back to like 45K. So if we keep seeing this, we're going to see it slowly but surely get back up to its all-time highs. So we actually could see that happen. And remember, everything's following, Bitcoin's following the stock market. And let's just be completely honest, we now have Bitcoin ETFs as well as a part of the stock market. They're talking about putting it inside of people's retirement funds. This is the reality. Like, we have to follow the stock market if we're going to be in crypto. People are wondering why crypto's crashing. You need to learn more about economics. I don't mean to sound like so harsh on people, but you need to learn more about the whole economic state of the whole world, the whole global, worldwide, everything, like all financial markets. You need to understand what is happening everywhere. First, money shifted into energy. Oil was going up, uranium was going up, all these different energy stocks were going up, and now money is shifting out of there. Money then shifted out of technology. It shifted out of technology. It shifted out of crypto and everything, and people are holding cash. And also, I want to show you something that whales are doing. Look over here. So we lost a lot of money in Baby Doge today. So first of all, look at the liquidity. This is a lot of money that just now flowed into the liquidity. 772 trillion Baby Doge just flowed into our liquidity, added to our liquidity. Remember, we're probably about to do a burn like in a couple days, because next month, or I mean one day, which is tomorrow. So yeah, next month, which is going to be tomorrow, we should be having this burn. Maybe it'll be a little late. Maybe it'll be the day after. I don't know. They didn't announce it, but I'm really hoping they do. But look, we're putting a lot of money in here. That's $1.42 million inside of our liquidity. $71,000 burned today. $126,000 inside of our contract. But one important thing that really made us go down today, as you can see, we don't have that many new holders today. Our volume's fairly low, 6.7 million. Look right here. $1.68 million flowed out of Baby Doge today. Of that $1.68 million, 1.69 million of it flowed out from the humpbacks. But the other whales, the smaller whales, they're buying more. They're not buying that much more, but they're buying more. And then the sharks, they're buying more. And then the retail traders, they're selling. Let's be honest. But anyways, humpback whales. These are the largest whales in Baby Doge. Sold 1.69 million dollars worth of Baby Doge, which is equivalent to 900 trillion. That says billion, but they really meant 900 trillion. It's equivalent to 900 trillion Baby Doge, which is 1.69 million dollars. We had whales sell out. That's why we're down today. And if you look, it's not just one whale; it's multiple whales that sold out, which came out to about 1.69 million dollars. So a lot of people are trying to get in this cash. They're really trying to hold cash. And remember, when others are fearful, be greedy. And everyone is fearful right now. Look inside of my comment sections. Just go through the past Baby Doge videos. Look inside of my comment sections. See what people are saying. Everyone's so fearful right now. Everyone's calling Baby Doge a scam. People that were once with Baby Doge are now calling it a scam and a rug pull because they lost some money. And really, you never lose money until you sell. So I say all this to say this. I literally just put another 1100 in Baby Doge. I could watch Baby Doge go down to the bottom support that I was talking about because look, I still believe Baby Doge has some more room to go. It has some more room to go. Now, where does it stop? I don't know. No one can time the market. That's why I just now bought because I know I can't time the market. I don't know about you, but I can't time it. Nobody can time it. Warren Buffett can't time it. Nobody can time the market. So I don't believe this is the complete bottom. Like I said, 1, 2, I believe to be the complete bottom. But what if we just do a reversal here based off the news that we're getting from the Fed this upcoming week? They're going to be giving some more news literally every single week or so. They're giving more news, whether it's good or bad. So we may actually pump based off of this news. So on top of that, we also have crypto literally being adopted all over the world. So they're talking about crypto ETF. Just go on Google, type inside crypto, look at what they're talking about. They're talking about crypto ETFs, and yeah, you're gonna see some people got hacked, from $77 million or something from a DeFi project. I don't know what happened there, but you're still gonna see crypto ETFs being talked about, 401ks being added with Bitcoin. Like, come on now, we got all this good stuff coming out for crypto, and people are still fearful. So I'm just going to continue to buy, and buy. I just like to look at the technical indicators. This technical indicator is showing us we're about to become bullish. We're literally about to bounce off our support. We're literally having less selling. The selling is becoming less prominent, and the buying is becoming more prominent, as you can see here on the oscillator. Let me go ahead and mark that down here. So this area right here, you can see we're actually becoming bullish. So less selling, now the buying starting to flow in. Just like what happened here. We had less selling, and then the buying started to flow in, and it was the same signal. And after that signal, we had an uptrend. Yeah, it did do a pullback. But look, from the 14th of March all the way up to the 22nd or the 29th of March, we had a huge pump inside the stock market. And the same thing is actually about to happen. I don't know if it's going to be as big, but I do know there is about to be a pump coming pretty soon. So when that happens, it's going to flow into crypto. We're going to see that flow into Bitcoin. We're going to see that flow into the altcoins as well. Altcoin season hasn't even happened yet. So we have a lot of potential. I still believe the bottom for Bitcoin is at 35K. We're nearing the bottom, literally. We're so close to reaching the bottom. If we continue to drop like this, we are going to hit the bottom. And it's literally happening in real time for every single asset class. It's about to happen here for Baby Doge from 1.6 down to 1.2. We're about to see Bitcoin go from 37K down to 35K. You're about to see the SPY go from $412 maybe to 400 flat or $410. And once you see all this bottom out, you're going to see another uptrend. I don't know how long this uptrend is going to last. I don't know if it's just going to be a bull trap or not, but I do know something's about to happen. We're about to get some money flowing into the market, and you definitely want to prepare, especially for tomorrow, because now the stock market is going to be open tomorrow, and it's going to be open around 9:30. So just watch for it. Like I said, we're bottoming out. Once we hit that bottom, you're going to see some pumps coming, and we're probably going to bottom out. Not probably, we're definitely going to have to bottom out tomorrow. So definitely prepare for this. That's why I'm buying more Baby Doge, because I see what's ahead of me. I don't see all the smoke and all that, because people are just talking. They're just talking. Let's just be honest. People lost money. They sold out. They bought at the peak. They sold at the bottom. They pretty much do what average traders do. They buy at the peak. They sell at the bottom. Now, This is I want to show you all the chart that everyone's always showing people, but I'm not gonna even bring it up because you know what chart I'm talking about. They got the peak, the madness, they got the euphoria, and then they got the people. I don't know. You know what chart I'm talking about. So definitely go ahead and look at that chart because we're definitely at the bottom of that chart. But anyways, this is pretty much what we got here for the technicals. Now, looking at more of Baby Doge, I do want to say, even though I do believe 1-2 is the bottom, that doesn't mean that we're not about to go on another uptrend. So look right here at Baby Doge. You actually see when we went all the way down here to the 1/6 level, we actually start to have an uptrend here. And you can see these indicators. It's pretty much showing us that the candlesticks, they're still green. So we're still going to have some more buying coming in for Baby Doge, possibly stopping at around 1750 before you see another downtrend. But I'm really not worried about it. It is showing the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%. But look, if you want to make money in crypto, it's like you need to know your stuff. You need to know economics. You need to know what's happening in the whole global financial system. You need to know what's happening globally. You need to know all about the politics. You need to know your technical analysis. You have to know this stuff, especially the technical analysis. And if you don't know the technical analysis, you better learn it. And if you don't want to learn it, or if you know it's going to take you a little bit of time to learn it, use automated trading indicators. That's what I'm using. I'm mixing technical analysis, manually technical analysis with automated indicators. Look at how I'm using the Fibonacci retracements along with our also with the vital algo indicators. Like I'm using both of these at the same time because I know this is what you have to do if you want to become a successful trader. You have to know where things are going. I know some people want to say like Baby Doge is a scam, blah 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 blah. Regardless of what you think, you got to look at the facts here. You got to look at how we bounced off the support and how I was repeatedly saying we're bouncing off the support. We're about to go below the support. Prepare for a drop. Prepare for the bottom. I've been telling people this for days, weeks, even months. Prepare for it to go down. And I've been pointing out at all of these supports. Literally, I did the Fibonacci retracement. I did the work. I also have these automated trading indicators. And look, I was showing we're eventually going to go below this support. And people were like, why are you talking about that? Baby Doge is going to pump. I thought you said it's going to pump. Yeah, it's going to pump long term, but right now we're in a pullback. Like literally everything's in a correction. So you have to know how to do this stuff. You have to know how to do a technical analysis if you want. And if you can't, then you have to get you some automated trading indicators. That's what I did. It really helps me out a lot. I use the indicators along with my manual technical analysis, and it helps me out a lot. And like I said, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis, 25% off, or you can go get some other indicators. But whatever you need, whatever you do, you either have to have your technical analysis on point, or you got to have indicators, or just get both. And you have to know your economics. You have to know what's going on globally, the whole financial system. You have to know all this stuff because this is literally what's going to help you make money. But anyways, the SPY is going down. Like I said, you got to look at all this stuff. You got to look at oil. You got to look at energy. Make sure you're watching the energy stocks. Money is actually starting to flow out of the energy stocks. So we're going to see some of that money flowing into these other areas and other sectors. We're probably going to start seeing a good pump for crypto. I'm just being honest here. But anyways, you're going to see this 35K hitting Bitcoin pretty soon. And not only that, let me go ahead and back out here. Baby Doge is still getting more holders every single day. So we didn't get that many new holders today, 923, but that's still a good amount of holders. Even though we're going down, you're still seeing more people buying into Baby Doge. So we're still doing good. We're still doing well. And the developers, the whole Baby Doge marketing team, they're still updating the community every single day. Literally, the Baby Doge swap should be coming out soon. Our metaverse, we're going to be having land in the metaverse, and they're literally going to be giving land out to the people who bought NFTs. I don't know if they're giving it out to everyone. They're probably going to do like one person, but still, we're going to be getting a lot of good stuff coming out for Baby Doge very soon. So I'm going to continue to buy more and more Baby Doge, and I'm going to continue to support Baby Doge. So I hope you do the same. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling you to dump your money in. You don't even have to buy Baby Doge if you want. You don't have to hold it. You don't have to do none of that. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence, because that's the only research and the only due diligence that really matters. Whatever you see fits, that's what fits. So if you want to sell out on Baby Doge, go ahead and do it. That's your choice. But anyways, moving on from here, I want to talk about something else. The Baby Doge community has been quiet. So if you look in my comment sections, you can see a lot of hate, a lot of that stuff. So a lot of people have been hating on Baby Doge. I feel like this kind of diminishes the project just a little bit. It makes other people feel down. It makes other people feel like Baby Doge is a scam when they see this is all people are talking about. So we got to support Baby Doge. We literally got to start, leaving comments on all these Reddits and all that. And I'm not just trying to get people to comment on my videos. You don't have to comment on my videos, but at least like support Baby Doge inside of all these Reddits, because Ultra243, he's been going crazy for Baby Doge. Brainiac Brian, he's been going crazy for Baby Doge, and literally so many others. So big shout out to Reflections Baby on Twitter. Shout out to their whole podcast they got going on. We got a lot of people supporting Baby Doge, a lot of people doing some good for Baby Doge, but I want to see some more. So definitely show some love to the whole Baby Doge army. Show some love, post your NFTs, do all that stuff. Go ahead and join the Baby Doge Telegram chat that I got. And I know I'm not inside of there much. I'm trying to get in there a lot, but I'm working like every day. I work 6 days a week, 10 hours a day. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Remember though, this is just me telling you why I bought Baby Doge. You don't have to buy, you don't have to hold. Like, I know there's a lot of people that are mad because they lost money. Do what you want to do, but I'm buying more. But anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.